What have I learned so far in life? As a person who has existed for 28 years, I am still young. But as young as I was before, I did carry some principles that were too complex for me to understand. And so, I have watched so many movies. I have read a few books, and those were my guiding principles in life. Whatever I have learned there, that's what guided me. That's what gave me vision. That's what molded me into who I was before. Now, in my 28 years, when I truly participated in this thing called life, I did learn that all of the things that I've learned in the movies, so many things that I have read in the books, are not so easy to apply, especially in the movies. It is so far different from what they portray compared to the reality of life. Life's natural inclination, life's true nature is suffering. Most of the movies, they are so dramatized, they are rose-colored, sugar-coated, and everything. So as a young adolescent, I grow up thinking that life will be smooth for me, that life will be easy because I have it figured out, because it's so easy to absorb things in a movie. When you see things in a movie, it's so easy to absorb. Yeah, I can just do this. Yeah, I am that. I identify as that. But in reality, life is more dense. Life is more complex. Life is, you cannot easily figure out life. You cannot easily figure out your life. So, if I am to be asked, have you figured out your life yet? Honestly, I don't have my life figured out. I don't think I ever will. If I always have these expectations that I have learned from in the movies, because in the movies, they are not real. Life doesn't have a background song. It doesn't have any beautiful background music. Life is not color graded, just like in the movies. So it is way far different. It is an expression that has been exaggerated and everything else. It is beautiful to look at a movie, but we have to know that the perspective of a movie is just an expression of art, and it is not real. The colors is not real. Everything there is fictional. Because life is always unique by the moment. So when I say that, every day is different. It is different from yesterday, it will be different tomorrow. So you cannot define life in a sentence. You cannot put it in a box, because reality is so much more complex than what it seems, than how it was portrayed in a movie, than how it is portrayed in a movie. So for me, growing up, I was disappointed at the back of my mind. I was disappointed that life doesn't turn out to be that way. So I become discouraged in life also. I became, discouraged in life. So, how did I move on from that? Well, there is one thing we called maturing. From my perspective, from how I understand it, from my experience, I think maturing is admitting, acknowledging that life is not like in the movies. Because whatever is in the movies are just fantasies. Life needs your immediate attention. Life is changing by the moment. So, it is truly different. There can never be similar days. There can never be an identical experience of a day. It's different. Because if it is, then that's fictional, right? There's no such thing. Life is truly different, and it needs your immediate attention. It needs you to participate in the now. So whatever beautiful fictitious thing you have seen in the movie, drop it, because you will be disappointed growing up. So that is how you move on early in life. If you learn to acknowledge that life is just so different, life is just so complex, and you have to understand the nature of your suffering, the nature of being human. So, this is why Jesus was here. Because it is not a movie. Life is suffering. And it's not always about happiness. More like, it's not really about happiness. Life is not really about happiness. That would be selfish. You do not even know why you are here. You might not have a purpose at all. You are here because you exist. Now that you exist, you are here to experience. Actually, I do not know. I have not figured that part out yet. But I do know one thing. It's that every day it is different, right? It is different. It's a different experience. So you cannot say that you have figured your life out. That's hard to say.